Good morning, Crafty Travelers. Today is Monday, March the 13th, 2023, and we are all getting ready to leave Potrero Campground and head across the border. Yay! There are 22 rigs in our group and 42 people, so we've got a long line. It'll take us a while to get across the border. We're supposed to leave about 8:30. Get across. We have 80 miles to go, which is going to take us about 3.5 hours. I believe there's going to be a lunch break, and before we get to Ensenadas, the campground there, Clam Beach campground in Ensenadas, Mexico. So follow along. I'll show you more right after this.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm. Stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone, oh.
First event for the Fantasy RV Tour Whale Watching Mexico. This is our group. We have 42 people and 22 RVs. John's the bartender today.
That's what I have for you.
I already have one, but that's fine. I just wanted to video you doing it. We're getting ready to pull out. That's our neighbors. And we have all these rigs and others behind them. Here's Carol and John's rig. They're hooking up their Jeep. They are the Wagon Masters. We will be following them. Just about ready to go. We are lined up, ready to leave the park. There's our leaders. Here's the lineup. We are not in numerical order. And there's more behind. You can see there are more behind. Total of 22 rigs. Here we are, the lineup. All the way back there. Break. Just have your break.
Sorry.
Thank you. Okay.
Do you want to go float down?
No, I don't really. So they are boarding us. Did you open anything?
Yep.
What do you open?
I think your cupboard over there. Look around.
My cupboard. The closet cupboard?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
think he did. Right down.
So you want to look at the video. This is our site at Clam Beach Campground, just west of the town of Ensenada. It's a little cloudy and breezy. It took us 4 hours to get here with the whole group, partially because of getting across the border, and then we stopped for a break for about a half an hour. But we're here. We're here for one night. We just hooked up with electricity this time because we'll be only here one night. Our tanks are empty, and the water, they said, is drinkable, but it's salty because we're close to the ocean. Let me show you the ocean. I just walked across the campground road to show you the ocean. There's a fence between the ocean and us, and it's down a ways. I don't know that we'll get to the ocean this time, but on our way back we're going to stay here for 2 nights. Then we'll walk on the beach here. This is a huge RV park. I don't know how many sites there are, but it's huge. Here's where we are, and it just keeps on going and going, and I think there's at least 3 or 4 different roads that are around this park. There are a number of seasonal people, which we can see they're set up like next to us. That looks like a seasonal person. And the big rigs are fit in, and the little rigs too. We made it to the ocean. We're at Clam Beach, just west of Ensenada. Tonight we're going to all go out to dinner at a restaurant. So about 3:45, they got to come pick us up in a big bus. But we're here. We made it through the border fine, and we made it down here to this beach. Took us about 4 hours. Alright, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Bye now.